Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to compare your current year and last year's sales in Power BI, a technique that's incredibly useful for tracking growth, spotting trends, and making your data really work for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a dynamic visual in Power BI that lays out your performance year over year, so you can make better business decisions with confidence. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, I've already loaded our sales data into Power BI. If you're working along, make sure you've got your data imported as well. Now, the key to doing any serious time-based analysis in Power BI is to have a proper date table. Think of the date table like the backbone of your time intelligence. It makes all those time calculations accurate and possible. To create one, head to the Modeling tab at the top of Power BI, then click New Table. Here you'll type out a simple formula, calendar min sales date, max sales date. What this does is generate a continuous list of dates stretching from your earliest sale to your latest. It's like making sure you have every single day accounted for, even if you didn't have sales on some of them. This is crucial for things like comparing current versus previous periods, because Power BI needs that full context. Next, we need to actually connect our sales table to this new date table we just created. Go over to the model view, you'll see it as a little diagram icon on the left side. Here, where we set up relationships, which is how Power BI knows how your different tables fit together. Find your sales table and your date table, then drag from the sales date column right onto the date column. It's a bit like linking two puzzle pieces together, telling Power BI, these dates are the same, treat them as connected. When the relationship box pops up, you'll want to make sure the cardinality is set to many to one, which basically means that each date can have multiple sales records, but each date in the date table appears only once. For cross-filtering, you can usually leave it at single, but if you have more complex reporting, you might want to enable both. Don't worry too much if you're unsure, as single direction covers most scenarios. Now that your tables are linked, let's hop back to the report view to do the real magic, creating measures. Right-click on your sales table and select New Measure. This is where you'll enter your formula for current year sales, like some of your sales amount column, but keep in mind, your table or column names might be different from mine, so double-check your setup. I've also put a sample formula in the description so you can reference it, but always adapt it to match your actual data. Once you've got that in, right-click again and add a new measure for last year's sales. This will use the SAMEPERIODLASTYER function, which looks back exactly 12 months from each point in your data. It's a little like asking, what did I do this week last year? And Power BI goes and fetches that info for every period in your visual. Now for the fun part, let's visualize your comparisons. Insert either a line chart or a column chart into your report. For the x-axis, drag over your date fields. You can use date if you want daily analysis, or maybe date month or date year month for a broader view. For the y-axis, grab your two measures, total sales and last year's sales. As soon as you drop those in, you'll see both lines or bars side by side, giving you an instant picture of your business performance year over year. That's it. Now you can easily spot trends, seasonal swings, or even celebrate your wins. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've got questions about the formulas or your own data, just drop a comment below. I check them all. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on Power BI guides just like this. See you in the next video.